Hello, How To Bob here, and I made this video to show you how to change out the standard headlight to a DayMaker HID LED headlight in a 2005 Honda VTX 1800R. And you can see I've got the light meter on it. It's putting out about 247, 250 lux on the light meter. That's just for comparison's sake. This is the standard stock headlight, and it's about 12 feet back. So I'm going to take these two screws out here to remove the headlight assembly. So that'll remove the headlight bezel, and you can see it's got a little spacer on there, so got to make sure you don't lose that when you take that off. And the two come off, and then the headlight will flop down. It's hooked on by a tab at the bottom, so you have to slightly lift up, and once you get it out, you can then see the tab right here. And I need to disconnect the headlight assembly. Just unplugs. It's got a 3-prong connector here. And then I'm going to get ready to assemble my new headlight. So to do that, I need to take out the screws here, here, and here. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out now and empty out my headlight bezel and get it ready to mount the new DayMaker HID LED headlight. So I'll remove all the screws and then get them out of there. I can take the bottom one out and should be ready to put the new one in. Okay, once I get the whole headlight assembly taken apart, I can set the headlight part off to the side, and I'm going to open up my new HID LED headlight. It comes with an adapter ring, and it comes with the HID LED headlight all in one unit. There's no ballast needed for this particular unit. It comes with a easy to plug in to stock wiring harness, and then the ever important mounting ring. So I'm going to go ahead and get my headlight bezel here, set it face down with the top up, and I'll get my adapter plate or adapter ring and set that, kind of line it up with the holes here. Next, I'm going to take my HID LED headlight assembly and set it in the adapter ring. And then I'm going to take my mounting bracket. Now I want to use this tab here at the bottom because that's what's going to hook into the headlight bucket that's still on the bike. So once I get that all lined up, I can then use the new screws that came with the HID LED headlight kit. They're a little bit longer than the ones that I took out, and they need to be a little bit longer just because the mounting bracket is real thick. It's a lot thicker than the stock mounting bracket that was used. So then I tighten my two screws up here. The bottom one's not used on this assembly, and there is my headlight bezel with the headlight. So now I'm going to take it out to the bike and set it in to the headlight bucket here. So I'm going to plug it in first, and then the tab from here goes into the slot here. Once I set that in there, I just have to make sure all my wires are in place, so I'll have to tuck those back and get them out of the way. Once that's done, I can slide my headlight up into place and replace the two Phillips screws. Make sure that the spacers are in. There's one on the left and one on the right here. Once I get those screws tightened up, we're going to do a little test and see if this one's any brighter than the other one. So from about 12 feet away, same as before, I'm going to run my light meter and see what we get with the new DayMaker HID LED. So here we are. Same situation as before, and you can see it's much, much brighter. So this is going to give me a lot better visibility, and it's a fairly easy replacement. So once again, this is how to change the stock light to a DayMaker HID LED headlight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm How To Bob, and as always, thanks for watching.